We were at Kara's father's gravesite at the King David Cemetery here in Vegas, and in the main building, the reception area, they have these magazines. And on the cover of the magazine is a picture of, am I the only one who sees the irony? Is this is stuff that kills people.
This is the stuff that my father was either refused or unable to eliminate from his diet, and it put him there so prematurely at 63. And you know, he owned Italian gourmet restaurants, and they're big on animal fat and sugars and sweets. And yeah, the irony that this is in the lobby of a cemetery, and I can only imagine the number of people that have passed because of this food.
What's amazing is most people don't get it. They're in denial. They don't want to think this.
But there are others that understand what it's doing to their bodies. By the way, sweets also extremely accelerates the wrinkling in the face, but they understand and they refuse to because they get such a rush out of it, you know. But we have proven that there are very healthy alternatives. In fact, and it tastes even better. And you know, if not ours, there's so much sweetened stuff with grapes. Leave the processed sugars out of your diet. Why? The sweet fruit salad I made yesterday, squeezed a blood red orange over it for sauce. It was just so sweet.
Well, not only that, it's the wheat and this just everything, the chemicals. This isn't even food. This doesn't even grow in nature.
Oh, and then it just expands in the stomach, and women wonder why I can't get rid of that little pouch as they continue to eat bread and donuts.
All
and
this
cake.
is yeast and parasite food. That's all this is. Yeast overpowers your gut flora, and then that's 70% of your immune system. Anyway, we don't want to lecture you. We have, of course, our cookbook, which has the healthy alternatives to this stuff, which taste. We have got everything. We've got creme brulee, we've got chocolate cake, garlic naan. There's no excuse. We have Pop-Tarts and.
I would have been making this food for our fathers forever if I could have.
If only they would have been around another 20 years.
Yes.
That's sad. 60 what?
So sad. 63 for me. Yours lived a little longer. Yeah. It infuriates me. This is how they push this on people and want us to get addicted to this so that we are a cash cow for the medical industry with our diabetes and our obesity and everything. But you know, this is at the children's level so that they get, the kid I saw the other day in the store, he threw such a fit because his mother wouldn't give him the candy bars or the Twinkies, and Marcus turned and he said, look at the parasites, how they're overreacting. But it's infuriating, and so many people don't make the connection.
Studies have shown that sugar is 10 times more addictive than cocaine. Anyway, so we just thought, you know, this was a head shaker. So try what you can to hold yourself back from things that temptations kill. Once in a while, once a year maybe, but I mean, this should not be part of your daily life.
It's not food.
It's not worth it. Anyway, stay healthy. We'll see you in the next video.